Literally impossible to kickflip.
Literally impossible.
And the posers think this is impossible. They're all impossible.
Gabe, I'm gonna kickflip the pizza. What are you doing with the camera? Give me that.
Hey guys, Aaron Cairo here, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Should I just start every video with that now, no matter what it is?
Honestly, you should.
And this is the world's smallest boards edition. Kickflip challenge.
Hey, this is Carlos, young Frijole.
My name is Gabe Cruz. I'm the ripstick god and the world's best coup wheeler. Who are you?
I don't know.
My name's Hungry Jack.
Hungry Jack.
And Emma. I think because you're the new kid on the block, you gotta go first.
Well, I mean, you gotta show what the boards are first.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on.
So we have a razor scooter made into a skateboard. That's gonna be no problem.
All right.
We have a board that's made into a smaller board.
Okay.
We have a foot, which is literally impossible to kickflip. No one will complete this
Actually,
challenge.
Carlos did it yesterday.
Okay.
So it's possible.
We have Aaron Cairo, Skate King, 1967. You know, when I grew up in Montana, this is what we skated in 1967. The ground is rough, but the wheels are metal. It's kind of like my favorite band.
This next one is a bonus, Aaron. So this one was tried. Literally impossible. The kickflip challenge is only these 4 boards.
And the posers think this is impossible, so I'm gonna show them how to
Okay,
kickflip
all right,
a piece of
all right.
pizza.
You can decide if you want to stop your time or go on to this.
The timer stops after you do the 4 boards, and if you manage to kickflip the pizza board, it minuses 5 seconds off of your score.
5 seconds?
5 seconds, I think a full minute. You know how to lap your timer, right? So in the timer, when they finish all 4, lap it so you know their time, but then they have the full 5 minutes to finish trying that. Yes. If you land it, we'll do a full minute off.
All right, let's go. Who's first?
Carlos is last.
That was the most intense game I've ever played.
So you're first then. Carlos is first. Uzi, you're gonna go second. Aaron, you're third. Third, fourth. I will go last.
Oh yeah, like. You guys are gonna have fun with this.
Okay, Kelly.
I don't even think I can do it. I'm gonna change a little bit. I'm gonna get at least one. Go with the easiest one.
So good.
Oh.
That's good, brother.
Good.
Possible.
Oh!
Then the most.
What the heck?
Oh, nice.
You guys are gonna have a blast with this.
Oh!
World star. I keep over flipping it.
He double flips it. He adds a minute to his time.
Dude, I'm literally flicking as soft as I can. How do you
Flick
flick?
softer, Carlos!
I'm trying.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Kickflip primo!
Believe in the finesse.
Just do an ollie.
You gotta be more nonchalant, Carlos.
Yeah,
I got you, I got you.
a little more.
Oh, yeah! I told you, it's all about the chalant.
30 seconds left. Pick up the pace.
Really? Oh.
What the heck?
Move it around like a spread.
Oh, yeah!
Get out!
You scratched me, Carlos! No, they do not count.
I don't care, I'm still doing it.
How are you gonna do that one? What's an old school kickflip doesn't count? It's a kickflip.
Regular one, right?
That doesn't count.
It is a kick.
See, I'm even struggling with that. Why does a mini ramp just make you sweat, dude?
Because of lights.
Sweat, baby, sweat. We'll count it.
I'll allow it.
358.
I'm gonna keep old school flipping. Loophole in the system. That's way harder because I can't get my foot under it.
4 minutes, 35 seconds.
Whoa!
Did Uzi just get here?
Did you not see?
Oh,
Sinner!
let's go!
Uh-oh! He didn't do it in the constraints of 5 minutes.
That was lap 2,
That was
Gabe.
No, that's what I'm saying. I was saying you have to also do the pizza in the constraint of the normal 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Gabe, make up rules as we go. Let's go. Okay, I'm next.
His time after the 4 boards was 358.
Yes.
And then he did the pizza one in 1:24.
Yeah, it's too bad he didn't make it in the time constraints.
So what exactly are we counting then?
You gotta talk to him in Australian. He doesn't understand you.
And then if he,
Hey, what's his time?
what's the combo? He did all of them in 5:22.
So the whole time in 5:22, no bonus on the hay.
So you're saying he has the time to land it, which is, and then an extra 5 minutes to do that. Oh, I meant within the constraints of 5 minutes, but that's a misunderstanding.
Okay, bloody hell, 5:22 these down. Let's go, crikey.
So let's just give him 3:58 minus a minute. So 2:58.
Oh, so it's 2:58. It changes every 3 seconds. I turn around, I'm gonna change again.
Okay, but I'm gonna kickflip the pizza. Okay. All right, Dan, you ready? Your time starts on the first pop. I'm gonna go for this one. No, stop rolling. These are really tight trucks.
How did you kickflip this one? Like, is this, did you even kickflip this?
I even hard flipped it on accident.
What do you mean you even hard flipped? Ow! I just double shin flipped it into my shin right now on accident. How do you kickflip this one? Out of everything. I have an idea. It takes a minute off. It takes a minute off though.
But I don't. You're gonna do it all. Wow. He is negative.
Jeez. Ow! Ow! I got stabbed in the foot. Oh! Okay, I figured it out. Figured it out. I'm kickflipping this one.
His ankle's finished.
You broke it! Ooh, what's my time at?
2 minutes.
Oh. Wait, I have 2 minutes to go? I forgot how to kickflip a normal board.
Wow. He does.
Too tall for this challenge. See? This is impossible. The pizza's possible, that's not possible.
What?
I don't even care as long as I land the pizza. This is impossible. Says who? 10 seconds, huh? I thought we were friends, Dan.
5 minutes.
Myth busted. Tall people can't kickflip.
Who's next? So the time to beat is what? A minute?
But if you get a faster time than that for these 4 boards and choose not to do the pizza, you win. Pizza's all about choice.
You tempting me?
Yeah.
So warm up, nothing?
Time starts on the first pop.
Time starts in the first pop. Fork! Fork! They're all impossible. How do they? Got it?
No! Wow, nice.
Yeah! What's my time at, Aussie?
1:20.
So how fast do I have to do this to beat Carlos? So how much time do I have left? A minute? How did he do this? I think the first one almost did it, right? Bro! Oh my gosh! How did I do the first one? The first one flipped. Just like that, only harder? This SMS won this. Got it. Pretty sure it's impossible. Yeah? Yeah? Ow! Mother! It's impossible. One last try. Let's go, Stephen Curry. I love your Indian food. It hurts everywhere. Is time over? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
5 minutes is up? What? Well, I gave it a valiant steed.
You beat Uzi.
Emma!
Wait, my legs aren't warmed up. I've been sitting down.
Have magic. Not have magic. That one's hard.
Varial flip?
Second, I said.
Shouldn't be this hard.
You gotta land that.
Come on, at Emma.skates.
Come on, at Aaron Kyra.
Let's go.
Let's go. I had it close like twice.
Send it!
You're not
Send
gonna
it!
step like yelling. Like, ah!
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 Ah! Why did you like that? Put your feet on! Oh my gosh.
Oh!
3 minutes, 17 seconds. Yeah, dolphin flip, we counted.
Why is it so hard? It shouldn't be that hard.
That was it! First try!
No? Okay.
Wait, go back to that one. That was the easiest one.
I know. Gabe put the camera in my face.
Do the pizza, you automatically win. One more. Dang. You almost landed a varial flip though. You know who's about to crush it? Gabe Coup Wheel Cruise.
Wow, you got a new bowling name.
Yep. I got the best flick in the biz.
We got your prep. Dang, you been working out? He sends me videos of him working out at the gym. Him and his friend Abe are like, ah! Ah! I'm like, okay, dude, okay.
I think the cooler part about that story is that my best friend's named Abe.
Okay.
What is this? What are you showing?
Little flick, you know?
Oh, yeah, that was a good one. Showing off the buys a little bit. Now I gotta show off the little kick flips, the ankle strength. I'm okay.
Off the cool wheels, his balance is very bad. On the cool wheels, his balance is next.
Remarkable.
What's happening?
Just hot pocketed my knee.
More than me. That's kind of what it looks
Like cook breakfast.
like. Shake weight game is
I keep hurting myself. All right, you guys are just getting distracted. I can't even focus. Why can't I kickflip?
Anger is not the way.
I know how to kickflip, Carlos!
Don't go to the dark side.
Shot it!
No, I'll do what you did to me. No. Oh, one more. That's a yellow card. Dang, girl. Oh, well, keep the feet on. Oh, 8 seconds. No. Hey. Wow. Whoa.
This one's way easier.
Because you're a scooter rider. Not that there's anything wrong with that, I'm just saying. Come on, cool wheel.
Troy! Right here.
That literally would have been the best kickflip you've ever done on any board. It's bloody embarrassing even knowing you made it.
You should do it to manual.
Wow!
Ah! Wait, it's too small to hit my nuts. Dude, I don't care. I'm landing this good, no matter if I go over time. Bro. Oh my God. Like the demons have penetrated my soul.
Get it up. What did he say? He went,
Oh, hey, it's hot.
There we go, back to the cool wheels.
Okay, guys, well, there can only be one winner, and it is Carlos. Oh, yeah. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, it's your time. Learn to skateboard. Start skateboarding right now. We'll see you there. BrailleSkateboarding.com. Go skateboarding. Learn how to skateboard and skateboard. Learn how to skateboard.